Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today we'll begin with our book, that is Knowledge World of Class 4 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with our chapter number 15, Techno Tools. We use various kinds of instruments or tools to perform various tasks, and today in this chapter we are going to study about some of them. We use an instrument to perform a particular task, and many scientific tools and machines make our life easy. So fill in the following blanks with the help text of clues given below. So you will take the help of the help text and then fill it. So let's now begin with the exercise. Let's begin with the first one, and it says that dash is an instrument that indicates the distance which a vehicle has travelled. हम सब ने अपने vehicles पे, बाइक्स पे, कार्स में एक तरह का मीटर देखा होगा और वो आपको बताता है कि आपके व्हीकल ने कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल किया है. And what is that meter basically? It is known as odometer. Then the second is dash is an instrument used for measuring the intensity of light, and hence it is known as photometer. Then we have the third number which says dash is used for recording the growth of plants, and it is known as auxanometer. Auxanometer. Okay. Then we have the fourth one. Dash is a medical instrument used for tracing heart movements, and the answer for this question is electrocardiograph. We call it electrocardiograph. Then next we have the fifth one. Dash is an instrument used for detecting the purity of milk, and the answer for this question is lactometer. Lactometer. Sixth is transformer is used for dash alternating current, and the answer is transforming. Next, the seventh one. Radiator serves as a dash in the engine of vehicles. So what is the purpose or use of radiator? It serves as a cooling device. It serves as a cooling device. Let's now do the eighth one. It is dash is connected to a computer to copy and store information, and the answer is pen drive. Then we have dash is used for converting mechanical energy into electrical energy, and the answer for this question is dynamo. Then we have the next, that is the 10th one. Dash is used to measure the intensity of an earthquake, and the answer is seismograph. Next we have dash is a device that amplifies small currents in a radio, and the answer is transistor. The last one is dash is an instrument for measuring blood pressure, and the answer is sphygmomanometer. I repeat, the answer is sphygmomanometer. So these were the questions. Let's now do the your answer please. It says name the device used by doctor to listen the heartbeat, and this is the question for you children. You have to answer this question and write the answer over here. So this was all about the chapter. I hope you have understood. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned for the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.